following statement is for the following county: Benton, Oregon. Flood warning now in effect from this morning through Tuesday afternoon. What major flooding is forecast? Where? Marys River near Philomath. When? From this afternoon through late tomorrow morning. Impacts about 21.0 feet. Expect major and widespread flooding along the Marys River from Philomath to Corvallis, with numerous homes and farms affected. Several roads will likely be flooded, including Grange Hill Road, 13th Street, Fern Road, Chapel Drive, and Belthausen Road. Additional details: at 11 a.m. Monday, the stage was 20.7 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to crest at 21.1 feet late this afternoon and hold steady through this evening. It will then fall below flood stage late tomorrow morning. Flood stage is 20.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.
Passengers were stuck on a tram on